Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to draw and color a super cute teddy bear. First, let's start a nice big circle for the bear's head, like this. Then, on the top of the head, draw two smaller curved lines for the ears. Now, draw eyes. Very good. Now, draw arms, like this. A big heart on the chest. Now, draw legs, like this. You did it very well. Now, put some hearts. Excellent. Time to color. Use brown color for the bear's head, like this. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. You are doing very well. That's good. Use yellow color for the ears, like this. And again we use brown color for the ears. Very good. Now use yellow color for the mouth. Excellent. Use brown color for the arms. And for the bear's body, like this. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. Your teddy bear is almost complete. Use brown color for the arms. And use yellow color for the legs. Like this. Very good. Now use black color for the eyes. And use red color for the heart. Also here. And there you have it. Your cute teddy bear is ready. Allah Hafiz.